Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and I am beyond excited for today's episode.
Today, we are going to talk about one of the most beautiful cities in Indonesia, Bandung.
Yes, and we are going to talk about it completely in English. How exciting is that?
So if you love traveling and want to improve your English, this episode is made for you.
Before we start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right now.
We upload fun English practice videos all the time, and we do not want you to miss them.
Okay, Mia, let us get started. Have you ever been to Bandung?
Oh yes, many times. Bandung is actually one of my absolute favourite cities in Indonesia.
Really? What do you love most about Bandung?
I love everything about it. The cool weather, the beautiful scenery, and the amazing food.
The weather there is so different from Jakarta, right? It feels so fresh and cool.
Exactly. In English, we can say, Bandung has a cool and refreshing mountain climate.
That is such a great phrase. Climate means the typical weather of a place.
Bandung sits in the mountains, so the air is cooler and cleaner than in most big cities.
That is one of the main reasons why so many tourists love visiting Bandung.
Absolutely. Now let us talk about the most famous tourist spots in Bandung.
Yes. Where should we start, Mia? There are so many amazing places to choose from.
Let us start with the most iconic one, Tangkuban Perahu volcano.
Oh, wow. Tangkuban Perahu is absolutely breathtaking. I have been there once, and it was unforgettable.
In English, we can say, Tangkuban Perahu is an active volcano with a stunning crater view.
Active volcano means the volcano can still erupt. But do not worry, it is safe to visit.
Right. Visitors can walk right up to the edge of the crater and look inside.
The view is incredible. You can see the smoke rising from the ground below you.
In English, you can say, the view from the crater rim is absolutely spectacular.
Spectacular is a great word. It means something extremely impressive and amazing.
I love learning new vocabulary like that while we travel and explore.
Me too. Okay, what other famous places should tourists visit in Bandung?
The next place I really recommend is the floating market or Pasar Apung Lembang.
Oh yes, the floating market is so unique and so much fun to visit.
In English, we can say, the floating market is a traditional market built over a lake.
Visitors can sit in a small boat and buy delicious food directly from the sellers.
That sounds so amazing and so different from a regular market.
It really is. You can try so many kinds of traditional Indonesian food there.
In English, you can say, the floating market offers a unique and authentic cultural experience.
Authentic means real and genuine, not fake or artificial. Great word to use.
Okay, what about nature spots? Bandung has so many beautiful natural attractions too.
Yes, one of the most popular nature spots is Kawah Putih, the White Crater.
Oh, Kawah Putih is absolutely magical. The water inside the crater is turquoise and white.
In English, we can say, Kawah Putih is a volcanic crater lake with stunning turquoise water.
The colour of the water changes depending on the temperature and time of day. So unique.
It looks like a painting from a fantasy movie. I could stare at it forever.
In English, you can say, this place looks like something straight out of a fairy tale.
Oh, I love that phrase. Fairy tale means a magical and beautiful story. Perfect description.
Another amazing natural spot is Siwidey Valley with its beautiful tea plantations.
Yes, miles and miles of green tea fields covering the hillsides. Absolutely gorgeous.
In English, we can say, the Siwidey tea plantations offer some of the most scenic views in West Java.
Scenic means beautiful natural views. Great word for talking about nature and travel.
Okay, now let us talk about something every tourist loves, shopping in Bandung.
Oh yes, Bandung is so famous for its factory outlets and fashion shopping.
In English, we can say, Bandung is well known as a paradise for fashion and shopping lovers.
Paradise means the most perfect and wonderful place. And for shoppers, Bandung really is.
The factory outlets along Jalan Riau and Jalan Dago are absolutely incredible.
You can find high-quality clothes, shoes, and bags at very affordable prices there.
In English, you can say, Bandung offers great quality products at very reasonable prices.
Reasonable prices means not too expensive, the price is fair and worth it.
Many visitors from Jakarta and other cities come to Bandung just for the shopping.
And after shopping, you definitely need to stop at one of the amazing cafes in Bandung.
Oh yes, Bandung is also famous for its super creative and aesthetic cafes.
In English, we can say, Bandung has a thriving cafe culture with unique and artistic venues.
Thriving means growing very successfully and full of life. Great word.
Some cafes in Bandung are inside old Dutch colonial buildings, so beautiful and historical.
Others are built in the middle of rice fields or on top of hills with amazing views.
In English, you can say, many cafes in Bandung are set in stunning and unique locations.
Now let us talk about food, because Bandung food is absolutely incredible.
Yes, I was waiting for this part. Bandung has some of the best food in Indonesia.
My absolute favourite Bandung food is batagor, fried tofu and dumplings with peanut sauce.
Oh, batagor is so delicious. You can find it everywhere on the streets of Bandung.
In English, you can say, batagor is a popular Bandung street food made from fried tofu and fish dumplings.
Another must-try food is siomay, steamed dumplings served with peanut sauce.
Yes, and mie kokok, a rich and savoury noodle soup that will warm you right up.
In English, you can say, Bandung is famous for its rich and flavourful street food scene.
Street food scene means all the amazing food you can find from street vendors and small stalls.
Do not leave Bandung without trying all of these amazing local specialties.
In English, you can say, these dishes are local specialties that you absolutely must try.
Okay, let us now learn some more useful travel phrases for everyone to practice.
Perfect. Here is a great phrase. Bandung is definitely worth visiting at least once in your life.
Worth visiting means the place is valuable enough to spend your time going there.
You can also say, I strongly recommend adding Bandung to your travel bucket list.
Bucket list means a list of amazing things you want to do before you die. Great phrase.
Another useful phrase is, the best time to visit Bandung is during the dry season.
And if someone asks for tips, you can say, make sure you bring a light jacket because it gets cool at night.
That is such practical and helpful travel advice. I love it.
You can also say, I was blown away by how beautiful this city is.
Blown away means you were completely amazed and surprised. Very natural English expression.
Okay, everyone. We have learned so many amazing things about Bandung today.
And we have practiced so many useful travel phrases in English too. Amazing job.
Now it is your turn to practice your English right now in the comments.
Right. My favourite place in Bandung is blank because blank.
All right. I really want to visit blank in Bandung because blank.
It does not matter if it is not perfect. Just write something and practice.
Every comment you write is one step closer to speaking English fluently.
We are so proud of every single one of you for being here and learning today.
If this episode was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It means the world to us.
And share this video with your friends who love Bandung and want to learn English.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next exciting episode.
We have so many more amazing travel topics coming very soon. You do not want to miss them.
Remember, every single day you practice, you are growing and getting better.
Believe in yourself, keep going, and never stop practicing your English.
We believe in you 100%. You are doing an incredible job.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode. We appreciate you so much.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling.
You got this. See you next time.